Hi guys, Sophia Star here, and today we're doing this Crunch Labs box by Mark Rober. I seen him announce these the other day, and it just seemed like a lot of fun. And I like building stuff, and it's engineering. So we're going to open this here on stream, so the stream peeps get to see it first. But you guys will see this over here on YouTube too. Crunch Labs box. Exclusive video. I don't know if I can. Probably not show you guys the video link. And it's supposed to be exclusive for the people that bought it. So collect all 12 gear badges to complete the gear train. Wait, does it open or? No, it doesn't open. Gear train is a collection of gears that power each other, and your first gear badge to start building your gear train. That's not really a pro tip. It's kind of like a like fun fact. Oh, is it not gonna focus? Yeah, it's hard to get it to focus. Let's see here. So we got a bunch of disc and a wheel in this bag. Disc and a wheel-like thing. And then a bunch of rubber bands. Blue piece of cardboard. I thought it was like tape or something, but it's just like blue cardboard. Orange cardboard. Oh, so this has to be like the battery that powers it, and then this the curve shaped thing that goes right here. This thing. Oh, this blue one's meant to hold the disc. Aha. Figuring things out. Okay. And then there's like the rest of it. I mean, wood. Oh, mine's actually cut open. It doesn't look like I lost any parts. And then yeah, that's it. Nothing else in the box. I wonder why they put a layer of tissue paper at the bottom. It's kind of unnecessary. Does this actually show you how to build the whole thing? Oh, it does. Huh. Okay. So you don't actually need the video. Okay. Let us make sure we got all the parts since my bag has a hole in it. Just in case. So these are all the parts that we should have. Let's open this up and make sure that we got them all. You never know, sometimes when bags have holes, things fall out before they get into the box. Okay, so that's like the flywheel piece right there. This is our gearboard. Um, okay. It's supposed to be a stand for the gearboard. This is our first one. Oh, there should be. I think it's in here. Yeah, this white thing. To connect our gearboard together. So let's see here. We got this thing. We got this, which is supposed to go with that. These two things. Oh, there it is. I was like, there's another little thing on there. This thing. Okay. So we got all of those parts. Which is what I was slightly worried about, missing one of them. Okay, so it's this thing. Yeah, this thing goes in here. And then this goes in here. There we go. First one. Flywheel. It's gonna be fun when I got all of them. But we will put this on the little stand and put it over here out of the way. There we go. Okay, so we got this part, we got this part, we got two small rubber bands. Guessing this is two medium rubber bands, two large rubber bands. Looks like we got 3 bolts, but it only shows 2. We also got 3 nuts and it only shows 2. O-rings we got 6. Guessing these are the tabs. They're not green like in the picture though. Tab. Tab. So then watch that. Wow. We also got a good number of extra discs. So it only shows 3 discs, but we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double disc. Okay, and then this is flywheel. And then this should be the... Oh, there should be adhesive foam too? I haven't seen the adhesive foam yet. Is it in here? Oh, there it is. Okay. It just blends in with the packaging. So, I'm guessing this is the battery. They have a tab in it, so it shouldn't be dead already. This is the motor, which you're going to use to power the thing. I probably shouldn't hook it up right away. This is the yellow part that will end up going here. And this is the adhesive foam. Okay. Their circle is still filled in. Mine's punched out. I'm guessing it doesn't matter. But that is all parts. I guess let's go on to step 1. That's here. It says to take adhesive foam, put it on top of motor. On top of motor. Take off other side sticky. Eh. Eh. Okay, taking off other side sticky is a little bit tricky. Eh. Got this. Spoon. A spoon is how you do it. Okay, then we take this and we have to align it with the center of this. That seems pretty centered to me. Yeah. Center. Okay. So I guess we're done with this for a little bit. We got to take the big rubber band, put it on here. Okay. And then we attach it to this. Tip, the harder the press, the stronger the fit. When two parts smush together, it's called a press fit. I don't know if it's like really on there. I should press harder. Okay, I'm guessing it's on there. Blam, 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 blam. Okay. We're on to page 6. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, so page 6 is take orange thing, cover this thing. Okay. Part 7. Remove tab. Done. Part 8 is attach the sticky. Attaching sticky. Which I'm guessing we want to leave this part open. Sticky attached. And oh god, we need the spoon again. We need the spoon. Okay. No spoon. You worked last time. Aha! The spoon always works. Blah. So then it wants us to put this like right here. Like right here. Oh, I'm slightly off. Oh no. Can't quite see where I'm putting it. It's close enough. Close enough. Okay. And then we hook these up. Red to red. And bam. There we go. Red to red. Black to black. Okay. That is hooked up. And now we... this time they gave us a pull tab. Awesome. Pull tab. We attach this to here. Bump, bump. Okay. Look at that. We're going places. We're doing things. Okay. So we're on to page 1. Pro tip. You can reverse direction that a DC motor spins by swapping the wire connections. Ah. So if you swap the black and the red, it'll change directions? Oh! It is so fast. It's like a fan. Wait. Wait, so right now it's spinning this way. So if I swap these, it'll go that way. I kind of want to see this. Wait. You guys really shouldn't tell me to do these things. It doesn't want to go in. There we go. Okay, so now it should go this way. It should go this way instead of that way. It does! I feel like it's spinning this way. That's crazy. Okay, well, let's fix this. Now that we've had fun. Let's put this the way that it's supposed to. Okay. Put this one over here. This one over here. I don't know why. The black one never likes going in. Okay. Oh, it wanted me to test it. Okay. Hold on. I can't really test this on camera. Because it's gonna fly straight into my computer monitor. Hold on. Maybe if I turn it this way. Okay. That is gone. That is gone. It's not coming back. It flew off. It's gone forever. Okay, so next is this piece. Oh, why didn't they give me a pull tab for this one? Okay. Spoon time. Spoon time. Go spoon powers. Spoon powers. Okay. So now this goes here. Yeah. Trying to get it exactly in the... There we go. So we got that. Then we take this way, and one of these goes through there. Okay. Then nut on other side. Nut on other side. Eh? That's a pin. Parts to rotate. This can be used as axles as long as the nuts are not too tight. Oh, okay. So you don't want to go all the way down. Okay. So you just want to go like that. That's a fun sound. I'd probably annoy people with that for a while. Okay. So now we need a small rubber band. Put this over here so you guys can see it. So we're taking a small rubber band and we're putting it through this hole, which I feel like would have been easier before they had us put it on, but they had us put it on first. Oh, I can use this thing. There we go. Right. I didn't push it in deep enough. Hold on. Hold on. Gotta push it in deeper. Ha. 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 Okay. And yeah. Okay. So we got that halfway through. Then we want us to do a bump and bump. There we go. Okay. It goes bump bump now. So now we take this paint and put it in here. And we take this paint and put it in there. And then what? One of these washers? Is it showing two of these washers going all the way around these things? How do they stretch that big? Okay, we're gonna have to try this one at a time. I'm very confused at this. Okay, got one in. Time for the second one. Eh. That's not what I want. Okay, second one. Little washy dude. Oh, so close. There we go. Okay. Two washer dudes. On there. This thing. In here. That is what it looks like. Medium rubber band. One of these boys. Around here like this. Okay. Medium rubber band. Around there like that. Okay. Next page. I think we're getting close to the end. This thing? What? I don't get it. So you pull this out and you place this in. I'm very confused by this. What's this part even for? Wait, what? Oh, I guess it's to keep the things from spitting out prematurely? Okay. Okay. And then we just load this up with disk. And we test it. And it should be done. Yeah. Oh, the box can be made into a little bowl. Ah. There's this perforated part on the box. Perforated part. Wow. Crunchy lamps. Okay. So now we have like box skull. Okay. Um. Challenge somebody to a disc throwing competition, but don't show them your disc launcher. After they fail, bust out the disc launcher for your own epic win. It goes so fast. It's so cool. It's so quick. There we go. Flywheel is a mechanical device that stores rotational energy. Basically, it stores energy by spinning. Your disc launcher uses the rotational energy of the flywheel to launch its disc. When a disc touches the flywheel gives some of its stored energy to the disc. Yeah, that wheel has so much stored energy, it's redonkulous. Let's see here. Find flywheels in other machines. Oh, they use them in combustion engines? A card launcher. What? I want to make a card launcher. Work. Build a machine that uses flywheel to launch playing cards. Player grabs the card and launches them out. The machine is powerful enough to make the playing cards stick to apples. That seems so cool. Can we build that? Oh, it's like a slightly toothy one. Okay. Yeah, I already did that. Extra disc. Oh, you can just make your own disc by cutting them out of craft foam. That's nice. Dream big. Dream them up. New machines that use flywheels. Try drawing your ideas like an engineer. Moving target. Whoa. But yeah, that is the Crunch Labs disc launcher. Um, it's actually not too hard to build. We did it pretty quick, like 40 minutes, and it's a lot of fun. This thing is so much fun. I would highly recommend getting this. It's like a whole subscription box series that they're doing. From Mark Rober and his new Crunch Labs that he just ended up building. But I already subscribed for the whole 12 months. I seen it was a Mark Rober thing and I was like so excited. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I think it's a lot of fun. I'm gonna be playing with this for a while. It's so fast. I most definitely think if I launched this at my computer screen would like shatter. It's so quick. Let's see here. We'll put the box there so you guys can see. It's so fun. But yeah, we even got like a bunch of leftover parts. Like we got an extra one of these, we got a whole bunch of extra these. Extra rubber bands. Like, they sent us way more than what we needed for the build. Which was pretty awesome. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys next time with more entertainment. Bye bye. Bye bye.